Hi together! I'm coming back to you guys concerning our topic from last time, flatten the curve. To how can we as K2 support you as well to reduce the risk of infection about the coronavirus. And we ended last time on this part where it's about the planning, the sales and the installation of the projects. And we thought about, okay, where are the potentially most contacts possible, and figured out that in the residential area, of course, there's a lot of contacts usually given, especially in the planning and sales phase in the beginning, where the project data is going to be gathered, and there's a lot of interaction actually given usually. With the K2 Sherpa, our messaging service, we now also implemented there an option to gather the project data in a digital way, so that the final customer, the end customer, the buyer of the PV installation can provide you through the Sherpa the information. I'm going to show you right now how that works. So as you can see here, Sherpa, it's a Messenger-Dienst service which is working also with WhatsApp in various languages working, and like English and German and French. And now I have the new feature, collect project data. So I just enter this, and then it automatically leads me through the checklist, where I just have to enter and see, okay, what is asked for now, the project address, for instance. So I copy, in this case, our example, and enter it. And it leads me through all the different points I have to clarify so that the planning is possible. So it's test in this case, example, and of course a phone number concerning 123. And it continues with building data concerning the roof type, as well as you can see whether there are obstacles. Yes. So if I say yes, then how many? Let's say 2. I have also to choose which kind of roof type, a roof tile I have. So I can choose here a plain tile, for instance, to determine later on the rafter distance. That might be a question which not everyone directly can answer. But of course, I have the time to clarify, then also how the energy is going to be used. To give you an idea of, okay, what is the aim of the PV installation, also whether a storage is needed, yes or no. As this is something that usually is also a discussion point, and when ideally the project or the installation should take place. And then I have the whole overview. I just have to confirm with an OK, and then I get the summary of what I entered, and if I'm happy with all that, because now I'm asked whether I need anything else, then we are done. And Sherpa just says goodbye. So as you can see, with K2 Sherpa, this option, especially for residential projects, you have for your customers also the possibility that they can provide you the information, the summary, like I've showed you in the WhatsApp Messenger. So you don't need to be there, and you can directly continue with the information given from the end customer with the planning in K2 base and finalize the offer to your customer. So stay healthy and take care.